Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your computer class. From today, I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Working with Styles and Objects. Our first heading is Styles. Style is a predefined combination of formatting features and types. What is a style? It is the combination of formatting features. What formatting features? Like font style, color, and the size of text. That is applied to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. जब आप कोई स्टाइल अप्लाई करते हो दैट मीन्स यू आर अप्लाइंग अ ग्रुप ऑफ फॉर्मेट्स टुगेदर इन वन सिंपल टास्क. There are so many built-in styles also in MS Word. What are built-in styles? The styles which are already there in our MS Word, these are called built-in styles. In MS Word, you can create your own style also. Now let's read about the types of styles. Styles are of two types. One is character style and the second one is paragraph style. A character style affects the selected text within a paragraph such as font name, size, color, bold, underline, borders and shading. If you want to add style to the selected text within a paragraph, for that you will use character style. Second is paragraph style. A paragraph style controls all the aspects of a paragraph's appearance such as text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, borders, and it can also include character formatting. If you want to change the appearance of your paragraph, for that you will use paragraph style. Students, now I will explain you how you can apply built-in styles. For that, what you have to do is select the text to which you want to apply a style. Now I am going to select my text. You can see right now I am on Home tab and here is the styles group. Hover the mouse over each style in this styles gallery to see a live preview in the document. जब आप अपने कर्सर को हर एक स्टाइल के ऊपर प्लेस करेंगे, you will observe the change. और इनमें से जौन सा भी स्टाइल आप अपने टेक्स्ट में अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, you have to click it. You can see there is a more drop down arrow here. When you click on it, you will find more styles. Okay, in this way, you can apply built-in styles in your selected text. Now I will explain you how you can create a new style. For that, you have to select the text first. Then you have to click on the dialog box launcher in the styles group on the home tab. See, here it is. You have to click it. When you click on it, this styles task pane will open. Then click on the new styles button located at the bottom of the window. You can see this first button is known as the new style button. You have to click it. जब आप इसको क्लिक करोगे, this create new style from formatted dialog box will open. Type the style name in the name text box. You can see in the properties section, name is written here. Here you have to type the name of your style. Okay. Now choose the formatting effects under the formatting section. Here is the formatting section. आप जो भी effects अपने style में रखना चाहते हो, you have to choose it from there. Okay. After that, select the new document based on this template. You can see here is this option. You have to click it. Then click on OK button. जब आप OK button पर click करोगे, you will see that the new style with the assigned name will appear in the list. See, here it is. In this way, you can create a new style. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.